Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, sharing the second journal, travel journal style with you all. So in my first video, I talked to you all about the items that you need to create this particular travel journal or my travel journal styles. And now I'm showing you the two designs. So we've got this one right here, and this is a more, I would say, more unisex version with the brown. Of course, if you omit the tassel, but you can definitely put masculine charms on here, and I'll show you that in this version right here. Here's a really beautiful travel with travel paper, travel inspired paper. In the videos in the tutorial, if you pick up my tutorial and video combo, I give you all of the details on this paper right here that I use. This is a combination of papers here. Pink Paislee Atlas collection and a Hobby Lobby collection in this particular one. And the inside, don't have any notebooks in it, but that's what the inside looks like. This is Pink Paislee Atlas collection right here. So you can decorate these really beautifully. So many options when you use scrapbooking paper, and it's so durable, guys. You're gonna love it. If you're on my fan page, Kathy Orta fan page, you will find some samples already from various crafters that made their own. Here, this is the original one, and I believe I showed you guys the inside of this one here already, and that's what that looks like. So this is style 1 with this pocket style here. Now for style 2, and again, what's really fun and unique about my travel journal covers is the pocket on the outside, guys. And mine are made from Kraft Tex along with scrapbooking paper. The way that we adhere the scrapbooking paper is really great. It's using the HeatnBond Ultra Hold iron-on adhesive. All right, so that's how we adhere the scrapbook paper, and we assemble the entire thing, okay, using Kraft Tex. All right, and then here's the second version, which I love. So in this one, we have a metal embellishment for the closure, and that's upside down. Let's flip it over. We have a metal embellishment for the closure. Here we have nothing, just the elastic. This one, the elastic is coming out from the back side of the pocket, which coincidentally is still functional once you have it once you attach your closure. You don't lose the back side of the pocket, and that's there. Same deal on this one. All right. Traditional travel journal binding or Midori style binding, whichever you guys prefer. A lot of you call this a faux dory, which is what some of the ladies told me on my fan page. And mine, I'm just calling it a travel journal because that's what it is. It's a travel journal. This is the second style, guys. Love this one. I mean, just really fabulous, very unique, guys. As you can see, for a travel journal cover, you still have the pocket on the outside. Here's your closure comes out of the binding side, and you don't see that on the inside. All right, here's the pocket assembly on the inside. Kind of treated this a little bit like a wallet, where you have the stacked pocket and the ID window, which coincidentally your ID does fit in here. All right, I just got one notebook in here for now because these take time to make. This is my least favorite part of making all of the notebooks. All right, and this one has the combination stacked pocket and this pocket that you see right here. Here are for your masculine choice. You can also put charms on these guys. Here's what this one looks like. This one I picked up, I don't know where, probably Michael's or Hobby Lobby. This is a Tim Holtz key that you see right here. You can put a photograph on the back, but it's very masculine in style, so you can totally do it up. Here for the closure, I used a die cut piece from the paper collection. I backed it to Kraft Tex, and I used eyelets to reinforce it so it doesn't get all junked up. All right, this is going to last for a long time. All right, it's not going to go anywhere. Just a wonderful style here. Here's the same version but in a feminine style. All right, so you can see that they work for both masculine and feminine styles, which I like to show you that versatility in my projects, and it looks great. So this tutorial video combo is available in my shop right now. If you want to make these, You want to head, I'll link you down below. You can head over to my shop and pick up the tutorial. I'm sure I'm going to have a lot more styles with the pockets on the outside. The possibilities are endless, guys. So you can look out for more styles on the travel journal. They're so much fun to make and they're so versatile. You can use them for absolutely anything. You can create these even for a book cover. You name it, guys. The possibilities are endless and the pocket styles are also endless when it comes to the design on the outside cover of your travel journal. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time, check out the link down below for the tutorial.